Awake your business and unlock endless possibilities. Welcome to NPTV.AI for business education. Practical AI workflows designed to solve problems and drive real-world results.
First, master the fundamentals. Understand AI in simple terms and use it to analyze markets, spot opportunities, and make smarter strategic decisions. Second, automate routine operations. Eliminate busy work, streamline daily tasks, and boost team productivity without writing a single line of code. Third, elevate marketing and sales. Create consistent content, attract qualified customers, and grow your brand with practical, purpose-driven AI systems. Fourth, optimize cash flow and operations. Reduce operational costs, streamline data, and make data-driven decisions that protect your bottom line. Fifth, lead what's next. The future won't wait, and neither should you. Claim your free 10-way automation guide right now at PeopleHelp.ai.